You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than -2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Add 2x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 2 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than -2.